should you do, Heathcliff? If you were rich?
Suppose I'd do what all rich men do. I'd live in a big house. I'd be cruel to my servants. Take a wife.
A wife? What wife?
Heathcliff, you're not enough. Not for her.
Mr. Linton asked me to marry him.
Heathcliff is gone. You must accept it.
Why did you leave me?
Why did you betray your own heart?
Where is the obstacle?
Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same.
I will not stand for that fiend. I will not have you near her.
Did you think it would stop me? So kiss me. And let us both be damned.